Hello everyone, my name is Devashish and today I'm gonna create web server, a very minimalistic simplistic web server with the help of Express, and I'll show you how to do it. So to create the web server, first we will create a new file. We will name it as server.js, a JavaScript file. In this JavaScript file, first we need to import Express. So we will write const express equal to required. This is a common JS way of importing any library. Then we will create another constant called app. This will be an instance of Express. Next we will need a port at which we are gonna serve our server. That means our server will be listening to that particular port. So we will define this variable port, and in case of production we will be given this port number in this variable process dot env dot port. But as we are developing in our normal computer, in this computer we don't have this variable, so if we are not getting this variable, then we should use any other value, that is say 3000, 4000, 5000, which are the common available ports of our computer. So any of these numbers will be used. So say here I am using 3000. As we are developing in our normal local computer, we will be getting this 3000 value for port. Now first we need to define that what to show when when any client or browser will request for the local or root directory. Okay, say in this get method of this Express module, so get method gets two parameters, takes two parameters as its argument. First one is the path for the get request, so in this case is just a slash to define the root path. This is the root path. For that we have only the slash, and the second argument will be one function, will be a function. So we will have here one arrow function. This arrow function will have two parameters as its argument. First one is the request that is sent by the client, and second one is the response. The response is something which we will be sending to the client back. Okay, so now in this arrow function, first at this moment we have an empty response, but to send a response we have to type. If there are a lot of methods, I will discuss most of the methods here, but say I just want to send back or print any data in the browser currently, so we will use this send method. Okay, in the send method we have to provide, see I am writing here as welcome to Express server. So this will get printed. This is what the send method does. Okay, and another thing what I need to do is that I need to make the server start. For that we have a method called listen, which will make the server start listening for this port at that particular port. So this listen method takes two parameters as its argument. First one is the port number, say this is the port number, the variable, and then second one is a function, is a callback function which will be executed whenever it will start listening to the port. So say at this moment I want to just console log this value. That means I just want to see whether it started or not. For that I am creating a console log. Here I will write server started to listening on port, the port number. Okay, another thing which I would like to show you is that this is a way by which we can write the console log, the string that we are providing. Another way is with the help of the ES6 template literals, which is a better approach in my understanding. So I will be changing this whole thing in a template literal. How to do it I will show you. we will use backticks. Backticks are just below your escape button. Then we can write the same thing, server start listening to port number, and I need to have this variable. For that I need to use this $sign and curly braces. So whatever I will be writing inside this dollar and curly braces, that will be represented with the actual value of that variable, and that will be considered as a variable. So I am writing here port. So it's considering port as a variable, and the value of this port, which in my case is 3000, the value 3000 will be printed instead of this dollar, curly braces and this port. Okay, now just save this one, and then I will run this server with the help of this command node server. Okay, it's saying, see, it's saying server starts listening to port number 3000. Now if I go to my Chrome and I open localhost 3000, you can see that it's saying welcome to Express server. Whatever we have written here, the same thing is being printed in the browser. So as you can see in this video, we have created our first ever web server, a very simple and minimalistic web server we have created with the help of Express, with barely 4-5 lines of code. And in the later videos we will be doing a hell lot of stuff with this. We will be learning how to handle not only GET requests but all the other kind of HTTP requests like post, put or update and delete requests. We will create our own database, and we will see how to read all the database, all the data inside the database, how to update that data, how to delete that data, how to create a new entry in the data, all these things with this web server that we have just created right now. So thanks very much for watching. That's it for today.